Understanding the phrase, walking on ice. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore the phrase, walking on ice. This is a fascinating expression used in English to convey a very specific feeling or situation. So, if you're ready to dive in and understand what this phrase means and how you can use it, let's get started. The phrase, walking on ice, is a metaphorical expression. It is used to describe a situation where someone is in a precarious or risky position. Just like walking on real ice can be slippery and unstable, using this phrase implies that one is in a situation that requires careful handling or where there is a risk of trouble or danger. It's often used to describe sensitive social or professional scenarios. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. After the disagreement with my boss, I felt like I was walking on ice at work. Discussing politics at family gatherings is like walking on ice. You have to be very careful not to offend anyone. In these examples, the phrase is used to convey the feeling of needing to be cautious and the risk of negative consequences. Now that you know what it means, here are some tips on using walking on ice effectively. 1. Use it to describe sensitive or risky situations. 2. Pair it with words that convey caution, like carefully or cautiously. 3. It's a great phrase for formal and informal contexts, but make sure your audience understands metaphorical language. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, walking on ice. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression used to describe situations that are risky or require careful handling. I hope this video has been helpful and that you'll feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and stay safe, especially when you're metaphorically walking on ice.